Lesson 3. Food for Thought. Every single year, at least 1.3 billion tons of food goes to waste around the world. That's 1/3, more or less, of all the food produced on our planet. Meanwhile, roughly 800 million people worldwide suffer daily due to inadequate food supplies and malnutrition. With so much waste and so much hunger, there should be a better way to manage our food.
When it comes to food waste, producers and consumers are equally to blame. For a start, many of the crops we grow should not be left to rot in fields just because they are the wrong size, shape, or color. In addition, crops which are actually harvested often spoil in transit due to bad timing or poor temperature control. Last but not least, consumers are responsible for around 1/3 of all food waste. All too often, we buy or cook more food than we can eat, thus wasting food that could have been used more wisely.
Reducing food waste has many advantages. First, we could easily prevent millions of people from going hungry by distributing food more efficiently. Second, since food waste nowadays accounts for 7% of all greenhouse gas emissions, the planet itself would benefit from less leftovers. Third, just by managing our food better and reducing waste, we could also save hundreds of billions of dollars every year. Imagine all the worthwhile things we could do with this money instead.
Fortunately, many creative people have already begun the battle against food waste. In Berlin, for instance, locals have set up several handy, free food fridges around the city. No matter what kind of excess food people have, they are free to put it in the fridges. Then people who need it can help themselves to the food before it spoils. A leftover food restaurant in Amsterdam is also trying to do something about the issue. Whenever they can, the diner's staff members collect unwanted but perfectly good food from supermarkets and convert it into tasty meals. 2,000 kilograms of food are rescued in this way every week. Finally, a French supermarket chain has come up with smart and effective solutions. These fresh food shops purchase non-standard or ugly but great-tasting produce straight from farms. By selling it at highly discounted prices, they do their part to reduce the amount of edible food that ends up in the trash.
Though creative efforts like these do help, it's up to everyone to save food, money, the planet, and lives. Let's only buy and prepare as much food as we need. Let's eat up, eat ugly, and put an end to food waste.